Hello! It's a big day. It is the first day that there are new babies for the 2021 hatch year. So today, an order of ducklings arrived from POULTRY, a hatchery that I've not ever ordered from before. The reason I chose this hatchery this time is because I specifically wanted some more runner ducks, and I needed a hatchery that would send them already sexed. I wanted a lot more females than males, so that's why I chose this hatchery. Other hatcheries that had runner ducks were really expensive, or you had to buy them only straight run, which means you don't know their sex until they grow up and get the curly tail feather and their quack changes to either the loud quack of a female or the raspy quack of a male. So, let's see. I took the labeling off the box to protect my privacy, but this is how it came. This went to the post office and I picked it up there this morning. They will not leave this at your home. You have to go pick up. For many reasons, but reason number one is that it is February in Massachusetts and it is cold out still. Hear them peeping? And there's air holes in the top. Okay, let's see. They staple the side. Ooh. Hi, babies. Oh, they're all huddled in a bunch. Hi. Oh, and of course it's all poopy in there. Look. Hi, guys. Hi. That doesn't look like very many ducklings. I'm pretty sure I ordered more ducklings than that. Not even by choice, but because I had to, in order to meet the minimum. Hello. Oh my gosh. I don't know what to do first. Review my order or hold a duckling. Hi! Oh, hello, you're so cute. This one has a leg band, which they do to identify them. I'll have to read about what that means. Hi! Hello. Hi! So this little sweetie feels warm enough, so that's good. When ordering from a hatchery, you want your babies arriving warm. Hello! They're all in a huddle. Hi, I'm gonna put you in there. Right in front of me, I have the brooder bin with a heat lamp already going, which I'll show later. So I'm gonna pop them in there. So, one very cute little yellow duckling. Hello! Seems to be a runner duck. Woo! Nice big long torso. There you go. Hi! Oh! Hello, beauty. You looking for your friends? This is a little black one. Beautiful. No leg band. So there must be a difference between leg band and no leg band. Hi. Hi, you want to go warm up in there with your friend? There you go. Oh my goodness, hi, come on. Oh, there are two this blue color. Hi. Hello there. You are so sweet. Oh. No leg band. Hello. There you go. Hello, baby. Okay, another blue. Hello. So far, a yellow, a black, and 2 blue. Oh, look at you. And this one's like chubbier. I ordered 2 of a different type of duck. A golden layer duck that are supposed to be really good egg producers. Maybe this is one of those. Hi. And the rest were runners. Hello. Hi there. You look tired. Oh. There you go. Hi, baby. Oh, if I had to guess, I would say that this is a chocolate runner duck. So like they end up a nice dark brown. Ooh, you want to come closer? They don't stay still enough, but I can tell it's a runner because of how... because of the body shape. That the last one didn't quite look like it. Hello, are you going to be super spunky? Yeah. Here, let me put you in. There you go. Hi, last but not least, hello little cutie. Ooh. And another chocolate, I think. Hello. This one still feels warm as well. So they did a good job, thumbs up, keeping the babies warm. There you go. So inside the box, side note, I washed my hands before touching them and the stuff, and I'm definitely washing my hands after. Poultry keeping 101, make sure you always do that. Wash hands before to protect them, wash hands after to protect you. So in here, there's this insulation-y stuff along the edge, probably to protect them from drafts. There's a little cup, which is actually stapled to the side. Smart. So stapled to the side that probably had water. And then there are 2 heat packets. All poopy, but barely warm. Which, I mean, they got here. All of them that were in there were alive. And this one is still warmer. Okay, so this one's still warm. This one's thicker, too. And this one is cooler, but still barely warm if I wait to feel it. Yuck. Garbage. And then there's hay in the bottom for nesting material while they're in there. And mainly their body heat keeps them and the group warm enough during transit to people's home. And they have food stores from the egg still. So for the first 2 days, they don't need to eat or drink. They can, but they have enough nutrition stored up inside their bodies from absorbing the yolk inside the egg. So if they don't have food and water right away, it's totally fine and they're perfectly safe and that's why hatcheries are able to send them in the mail, because they don't have to really put food or water in, although they so kindly did put a little cup of water. Now, I really don't think that that's enough ducklings, so I'm going to review my order. Again, it's from Pure Poultry in Wisconsin. Okay, so there should be 1 golden 300 hybrid duck female, 1 fawn and white runner duck male, 2 fawn and white runner duck females, 1 black runner duck female, saw her, 2 blue runner duck females, and 2 chocolate runner duck females. Alright, so let me see what I'm missing. Well, that total is 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there should be 9 in here. feel like that doesn't match what I had in my email either. Let me check. Pure Poultry, update order. Yeah, okay, so in here, I have 2 golden layer ducklings, and everything else lines up. So I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 that were ordered. 10 that were ordered in the email when they verify and said it was going to be shipped. 10. And then on the packing slip, it has everything correct except for the golden hybrid. It says 1, and in my email and in my original order, it said 2. So I ordered 10. This order sheet says I ordered 9, and I actually received 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, stop moving. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, I received 7. I ordered 10. Time to make a phone call. I guess this is good for the video. Let's see how the customer service is.
If you would like to leave a voicemail, you may dial 1 at any time. If you'd like to request a callback, dial 2. Please note that all calls, incoming and outgoing, are recorded for quality purposes.
Hello, I'm calling. Hi, I ordered some ducklings and they arrived today. They were all alive and well, which is great, but I didn't have enough of them. I think what's missing are the fawns, because I see 2 blue, I see a black, I see one that's very yellow and looks different from the runners, so that must be the Golden 300 hybrid. Hi babies, smile. Alright, well, hopefully that works. Maybe if I take off the heat light. Alright, and I'll attach a couple photos. Alright, and then what happens? They just send the replacements. Thank you, bye. Alright, well, to summarize, I have to send photos. They will identify which ones are missing, and then if I want to still receive the missing ones, I have to wait a while because everything's on back order. So that's unfortunate and kind of frustrating. But I do understand, you know, we are mid-pandemic still and everything is kind of haywire. So everyone has to be, you know, very understanding in all these situations. Well, it's later in the day now. So earlier when I called Pure Poultry about my order missing 3 ducklings, the woman who answered and helped me, the customer service, was very good. She was kind, friendly, helpful, and the results were quick. So I emailed, as I was asked to in the call, a photo of the ducklings I did receive. Then they evaluated which ones were missing and let me know. And after that, I said, okay, so what now? And the woman explained to me that I had 2 choices. Either choice 1, be refunded for the 3 ducklings that I did not receive. And choice 2, get a store credit for the 3 ducklings I did not receive, which then I could use later. However, if I chose store credit, I would then have to add and pay for 7 more ducklings, or 7 more something, because they have a 10 minimum. So I found it frustrating that where the error was made by the company, I am required to pay for 7 additional ducklings as well as shipping again if I choose to still acquire the ducklings that I initially ordered. So, in review, customer service, good. Did the ducklings arrive alive? They did. All of the ones that were sent were alive when they got here. And they're doing well and healthy now. Policy on errors, in my opinion, not the best policy to make the buyer feel supported and that they're getting what they have ordered and want. That's that. So I asked for a refund for my 3 ducklings, and I'm happy with the ones that I do have. It's okay. I'm going to show clipping the leg band off. Now that I know who's the boy, he doesn't need to have that on. Shh, it's okay. I'm going to hold that firmly in my fingers, so even if he does wiggle, he can't move. I'm just finding the air beneath it. It's okay. Holding him firmly might seem like it's mean, but it's way less mean than if you accidentally cut the bird because they wiggle too much, which they do. There we go. All right. You are so cute. Hi, ducks, I brought you peas. Because they have niacin and it's really, really good for your feet and your legs as you grow. There's holes in the top.